Okay, hope you can hear me all right. This is my setup, what I call my dry run setup for machining, remachining that gear on that shaft. This is it's one of those, what they call B-0 or BS-0 Bridgeport Clone dividing heads, and I've got it set up, and what I have done is I've done a dry run on the number of turns versus the number of teeth on the gear, and that all matches. And here's my wheel, dividing wheel, and as you can see, I'm a big chicken. I marked the with a white paint marker there, and if you look down here at the bottom one, you can't see it from the handle, but there's also a white mark on the stopping point. So I'm going 2.5 turns of the handle, gives me 1 tooth on a 16 tooth gear using a 20-hole dividing plate. And that is a diametric pitch of 16 with a 14.5 inch or 14.5 degree pressure angle, okay? So here's my plan from here. Now I've got to take it out, go weld up those teeth, machine it back down to the original OD in my lathe, and then put it back in here and cut 16 teeth with this cutter. And then of course, this gear is integral to that shaft. You can't buy the gear just by itself. You have to buy the gear and the shaft because it's one piece. And I just didn't want to pay the damn money for it. Like $100, $150, something like that, from Closing. This is one of the shafts, what you'd call the cone gear shaft, or the quick change gearbox on my Closing 5913 lathe. And I'll bring you back after I get it welded and machined in the lathe. And I may cut the gears first before I make the video, or I may make the video as I cut the gears. I don't know. It's kind of time consuming to make these videos. The other part of the job here is I had to make this right here, drive dog, just to drive the shaft. You know, you buy these little dividing heads here, and they come with almost what you need. And I said almost because just about everything you buy from China is an almost. You got to do something to it in order to use it. And look at that rust there. See that rust? That is a product, that rust right there is a product of all the damn medication I had to take. I don't know what the hell it is in my perspiration, but wherever I touch, it rusts. You can see on the edge of this vise here where I put my finger, or excuse me, I got my finger there, but you can see the rust, and that's simply where I put the palm of my hand at. Everything that I touch rust, and you know, I know it's got to be something within that medication, because you can see it on my table here too. I mean, just all kinds of fingerprints and stuff. And this has got fluid flow on it. It's also got bow shield, T9 bow shield on it, WD-40 on it. You know, I don't know what else I can put on it, but everything that I touch, including this dial indicator here, if I flipped it over and showed you the other side of it, that holder, you'd see that it's rusted on the back side right here, simply from where I put my damn finger at. So I guess it's just something I gotta live with, because I really do like having a clean machine, and I really hate nice tools getting rusted up like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and post this later on tonight, and I'll let y'all take a look at it after I get the gear cut. Thanks for watching.